Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Binsar SPD, biasa dipanggil Kak Binsar, guru kelas dan guru matematika pada program Cambridge Plus International Education di Minlapa, Jakarta Selatan. Sekaligus mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Batch 1 LPTK IAIN Manado, Sulawesi Utara. Pada hari ini, Rabu 20 Mei 2025, saya akan melaksanakan praktek pembelajaran pada kelas 1 Cambridge Primary International Education Min 8 Jakarta Selatan untuk uji kinerja dengan tema Fraction about Making Half dengan penggunaan bilingual bahasa 50% bahasa Inggris dan 50% bahasa Indonesia. Terima kasih. Selamat menyaksikan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning class. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you, Mister. You?
I'm great right now. I'm fine right now. Bapak terbakar semangat hari ini nih. Okay, who absent today? Al-Madani. Why he absent today? Because he's sick. Oh ya, kita doakan ya Al-Madani. May Allah give him health and quickly recovery. Okay? So before we are study, let's pray together.
Before we study, let's pray together. Begin, please. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin.
Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Maliki Yaumiddin.
After we prayer, ya, you know, this is a Hajj season, ya. Ini adalah musim haji bagi umat Islam, ya. And I know you guys, your class, you remember a song Visit Makkah? Please sing a song Visit Makkah together. Stand up.
Sing song Visit Makkah. 1, 2, 3. I want to visit Makkah and walking around Kaabah, where we did Tarbiyah and wukuf at Arafah, and from Subuh dan Jumat to Lausa Aqaba, Sa'id, Safa, Marwah, Allah is the most blessed, is everyone to walk. Our forgiveness prayer, our Mr. Al-Nawi, the honor of universe, Allah, Allah, La ilaha illallah, Allah, Allah, La ilaha illallah.
Okay, class, do you ready for study or ice breaking first? Ice breaking. Everybody stand up. Okay. If I say table, you sit down. If I say chair, you stand up. Good. Okay. Mulai. Concentration. Okay. Table. Table again. Chair. Chair. Table. Chair. Table. Chair. Table. Chair. Chair. What? Can you have a seat? Have a seat. Yes. Good. Okay. Do you ready for new our subject matter?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Look at the monitor, guys. Look at the monitor. This is chapter 13 about fraction making half. Together, fraction. Fraction. Making half. Making half. Okay. Before we start our study, class, before we start our study, there are some words that we must understanding. Ada beberapa kata yang harus kita pahami selama pelajaran ini. Dan kata ini, this word, repeat after season. Akan diulang-ulangi setiap sesi. Oke? Nah, cuman ada 5 kata. There are 5 words yang paling sering diulang. The first is split. Ya. Coba split.
Split.
Ya. What does mean split in Indonesia?
Terbagi.
Wah, semua tahu. Good. Umar, split. What does mean split? What? What? Close. Iya, Arfan. What does mean split? Split. What? Terbagi. Good. Applause for Arfan. Okay. And then the second, equal. Umar again. Equal. Equal sama? Okay, applause for Umar. And then the third is unequal. Okay. Tidak sama besar. Good. Applause for him. Okay. And then the fourth, whole. Who? Ini. Gamal. What does mean whole? Apa? Seluruhnya. Good. Applause for him. And then finally, half. Okay, next. Look at the picture. I have 3 questions about this picture. The first question is, what are the children doing? Kanzia. Okay, Kanzia. What are the children doing, Kanzia? They have some food. Correct? Mereka, katakan Zia, they have some food. Mereka memiliki makanan di sini. On the table. Correct? Okay. The second question is, how many food are on the table?
3.
Who can answer this question? Ziad. Okay, Ziad. How many food, Ziad?
3.
3. What food?
Sandwich, cookies, and
Sandwich,
cookies, and cupcakes.
and cupcake. Good. Applause for Ziad. Yes. Okay, guys, the third question, the final question on this, based on the picture, yeah. What are they discussing? Who can answer? Ibrahim.
How many kids eat a cupcakes?
How many?
Kids eat a cupcake.
How many kids
Eat a cupcake.
eat the cupcake? Berapa banyak yang akan cupcake yang akan dimakan oleh kids? Is he correct? Correct? Okay. Give him applause for Ibrahim. Okay, concentration. Okay. Nah, this is a quiz, ya. Ini ada quiz for you more understanding about this topic, ya. Untuk kalian supaya lebih mengerti tentang topik ini. Oke? Okay. You ready for the quiz? Yes, okay. We start the quiz. Nanti yang bisa jawab silakan Bapak angkat tangan, nanti Bapak pilih untuk mengklik, ya, mengklik. Okay, we start. The question is, which pizza are split into 2 equal parts? Pizza yang mana yang bisa dibagi ke dalam 2 bentuk equal part, sama besar? Oke, siapa? Oke, Alvan dulu. Yang mana? Choose one. Any more? Any more? Okay, this is. Choose one. Saka. Okay, good. Any more? We are check. Okay, we are check. Salah.
Which of the Following
of the
following
following?
have trees with the same number of apples.
Okay, good. Which of the following have trees with the same number of apples? Okay, good. Tisa, you first. And then Alfat, you. Okay, concentration. Yes, must now kita harus tahu learning object. Ya, learning objective. Tujuan pembelajaran kita belajar matematika hari ini, ya. Learning objective we study today. Okay. Now, learning objective is understand that an object or shape can be split into two equal parts or two unequal parts. Oke? Okay? Kalian sebagai siswa dapat memahami bahwa ada benda ya atau sebuah bentuk bisa dibagi menjadi dua bagian, dua bentuk. Bentuknya itu equal sama besar dan tidak sama besar. Nah, jadi bisa dibagi ya. Ada yang dibagi dua sama besar, ada yang dibagi dua tidak sama besar. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, good. Okay, next. Ya. For the first lesson is tell what equal and unequal part of whole are. Ya. What shape is this, guys? What? Triangle. Yeah, triangle. Triangle. The question is, how many triangles make the big triangles? Berapa banyak segitiga membentuk segitiga yang besar ini? Two, good. Look at the shape, look at the triangle, yeah. Yeah. I want to cut this triangle, yeah. One half of the triangle, and this is one half of the triangle, correct? Okay. One half is the name of fraction. Ya, one half like this is the name of fraction. Setengah kayak ini disebut dengan fraction. Disebut dengan apa? Fraction. In Indonesia, fraction is pecahan. Apa? Pecahan. Nah, in matematika, in math, a half, setengah, we write like this. 1 over 2. Okay? Repeat after me. 1 over 2. Okay. Jadi, this is a half. Half. Everybody you have done? Yes, I have done. Okay, now we presentation your work. Ya, kita presentasikan hasil kerja kalian. Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our presentation.
Pentagon and
triangle.
And number 2, what do you choose?
Equal parts.
Equal part.
I
and E. Yes. And unequal parts.
B, C, D.
B, C, D. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our answer.
Okay, good. What is your team answer? Number 1.
I choose rectangle,
Rectangle,
pentagon,
and
triangle.
Okay, good. And number 2?
Two equal parts.
Two equal parts. You choose what?
A and E.
A and E. Okay. And
and
Unequal parts.
parts C, D, and B.
C, D, and B. Okay. Correct? Correct. Okay. Give them applause.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Pilih.
We choose
Ya.
rectangle,
Rectangle. Good.
pentagon,
Pentagon and
triangle.
triangle. Good. And then?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.
This is answer. This is answer.
This is
Answer.
apa?
This is our answer.
Yeah. This is our
Answer.
Yeah, this is our answer. Number 1, what do you choose? The first. So finally, kita sampai kepada pembahasan terakhir yaitu reflection. Reflection, have students reflect about what they have learned. Is any volunteer can reflect about our learn today? Ada yang mau sampaikan apa kesimpulan dari pelajaran kita hari ini? Ibrahim mungkin?